rival Grime Lord's brother has just bought a house in the south of the city. We've decided to kidnap him. His house is heavily guarded, but we think it should be possible for you to slip in unnoticed. Although you can go in all guns blazing if you like. Oh, you idiots! One of the guards saw you. Kill him before he sets off the alarm.
Move and I'll blow your head clean off.
Okay, I'll come quietly.
Great. Now, take him to the helicopter on the roof. Now, wait for the kidnappee to get on board. Okay, now, fly him to our helipad to the northeast. Okay, now get up.
Bring him to us.
Ah, job well done. Here's your payment. Now, get out of here. Head towards the payphone for another assignment. It seems that the residents of a local apartment block have decided not to pay their protection money. The boss wants to send a message to anyone else thinking of not paying up. Ike stashed a remote-triggered bomb down the nearby alleyway. Go and pick it up. Okay, now, put it down next to the apartment block. Great! Now, get out of there and blow them sky high. Ah, excellent. Here's your cab. Head to the phones for more missions. A weasel who fancies himself as a drug lord has got a ship hidden in a bus to the east of the coast. Make sure that we reclaim your supplier. If you need it, there's a bazooka hidden in the alleyway near the smoke. Remember that the petrol tank is at the back of the bus. Just to make things interesting, you've only got 75 seconds to do it. Think of it as a little test. As we say in German, gut gemacht. Here's your money, but keep an eye open for the cops. Okay, get your lazy arse back to the phones for more missions. The rival Grime Lord has given in to our ransom demands. We've hidden his brother in the boot of a Blue Mondino parked in the southeast of the city. Go and pick it up. Okay, now drive to the car park in the south of the city and make the train. Get out of here! Okay, wait for them to put the briefcase down. Okay, now pick it up. Ha! Great! Now kill them for some extra money. Ah, nice one. Here's the extra money. Hey, head back to the phones for more missions. There's a stolen taxi parked in the center of the city. Fetch.
It's an emergency. I need your car.
The boss' wife has been visiting a friend. Go, pick her up. Okay, now wait for the boss wife to get in.
Hi, Hanzo. Take me to the hotel. Could you be allowed and pick up my fitness instructor on the way?
Okay, now wait for him to get in the car. Ah, you killed him! Oh well, no great loss at all. Here's your money. Get your ass down to the phones for more missions. Okay, you should enjoy this. Get in the truck parked by the hotel. I fitted explosives to a few remote-controlled cars. I caught the wife with some other guy the other night, and I've just thought of the perfect punishment. Drive one of the RCs underneath the car and blow her to hell. Here's your money. Head towards the payphone for another assignment. A rival gang are meeting behind some buildings to the northwest. Waste them. Watch out! They're onto you. Nice one. Now, get the rest. Nice one. Now, get the rest. Nice one. Now, get the rest. Ha! Great. Here's your money. A friend's just found out that I'm banging his wife. Waste him before he tracks me down. Nicely done. Here's your money. Go to the payphones for more missions. I stopped the car in Back Street. Find it before the cops do. Great! Now take it to Kenny's carriage in the south of the city. The cops are onto you, so better watch out. Excellent. Here's your danger money.